In this video, I'll show you why the new Qwen 3.6 Plus is being called the greatest AI model for coding and how it is beating the most expensive models like Claude Opus. If you find this useful, subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into it. Most people think they have to pay for a Claude or Gemini subscription to get high-end coding performance. But Alibaba just released Qwen 3.6 Plus, which scores higher on coding benchmarks while offering a massive 1 million token context window for free. Before this release, Claude Opus 4.5 or Opus 4.6 and Gemini 3 were the top choices for complex reasoning. In recent tests, Qwen 3.6 Plus surpasses these models in terminal bench, which measures how well an AI can actually use a computer to solve problems. It is more reliable at calling functions and using tools, meaning it makes fewer mistakes when you ask it to run scripts or manage your database. If you use AI to analyze large projects, you'll know that models usually start forgetting the beginning of your code after a few files. Qwen 3.6 Plus features a 1 million token context window as a baseline feature. This means you can drop 100 files into the prompt and it will maintain a staircase reasoning, finding bugs across different folders without getting confused. Well, people are calling this the open source king, but there is a small catch you need to know. All the Qwen family is famous for open weights. The 3.6 Plus model is currently available as a free API first. Smaller scales variants are coming for local hosting. But right now, you get the full power of the flagship model for $0 through providers like OpenRouter and Putter. To use this model today, go to openrouter.ai and search for Qwen 3.6 Plus preview. Select the model and copy your API key. You can now use this key in free coding agents like OpenCode or KiloCode to build entire apps without a monthly subscription. Qwen 3.6 Plus is faster than Opus 4.5 and has a much larger memory than Gemini 3. If you are still paying for premium AI to just write code, it's time to switch to this free powerhouse. So if you found this video useful and you like more of such videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I know a lot of people have different opinions about this, but yeah, that's just my opinion. And tell me what you think about it down in the comments. And also, if you have any questions concerning Qwen 3.6, drop them in the comments. I'll be able to respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.